everyone, welcome to Susegad Mazel vlogs. I hope तुम्ही सगळी बरी हाय म्हणून आणि as the name suggests, it's my friend's wedding vlog. Like ह्या vlogan तुम्ही पळयतली सगळे all the festivities of her wedding, like साडो, like जावं चुडो जावं, or like it could be रोस ताजो or her wedding तयारी केल्या पळय ती accessories or her wedding day रिसेप्शन सगळे या एकूच व्लॉगान घातलेले हां. सो दिस इज अ फ्रेंड हू कॅन से द लास्ट ऑफ द क्रू उरलेले ते आमचे फ्रेंड आनी वी वर एक्सपेक्टींग a lot of things. Like we were expecting that she gets a good one, a good guy, and finally she got a good guy and we are very happy for her. And so I though was very excited for the wedding because I wanted to get her married because आम्ही सगळी आमच्या ग्रुपातली वेडिंग सगळी काजा जावन गेली आनी तेकडेच उरलेले आनी एवरी टायम पीपल इट टॉन्ट हर आनी आमकांय म्हणटाली लायक वेन युअर फ्रेंड इज गेटिंग मॅरीड एंड दिस एंड दॅट. सो फायनली आय एम हॅप्पी दॅट rush करून नो बट because she found a really sweet and a really good guy and I hope तांचे हे bond forever ashet urpak and they always be happy and may they have a very healthy married life. So you can check it out now. Here you go. Anyways. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Guys, आम्ही इलाय स्पायसी रेस्टॉरंटान जेवपाक. Hello guys, so हांव गेलेले आयज चुड्याक ऑफ माय डियरेस्ट फ्रेंड फिलू चुडो घातलो ताका आनी आमकांय घातलो चुडो. सो आतां हांव वयतां टू डू माय नेल्स बिकॉज इनफील करपा जाय म्हाका बिकॉज टुमोरो इज माय वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी एंड सो आय नीड अ न्यू सेट ऑफ नेल्स. सो आतां वयता हांव जस्ट रेडी. सो टी यू बाय बाय. Just done with my nails. Hello guys, so हांव माझे नेल्स करून येयले आतां. सो हांव वयलेलें चिकले ॲट लॅरिसाज प्लेस एक ड्रेस शिवपाक. सो आय फॉरगॉट टू टेक अ व्हिडिओ बिकॉज ही वॉज प्लेईंग आनी आतां जस्ट तेजो फोन घेतला ते कडेन आनी आय एम जस्ट रिकॉर्डिंग. सो आतां मेजरमेंट्स घेवन येयला हांव. सो आतां वयता घरा. सो तुमकां मागीर मेवता. बाय. Guys, so fuel ना म्हणून घालपाक गेला हांव. शी what this fuel? Say hi mama. Happy Sunday तुमकां. आनी आतां वयता मिसाक. काल जालो लेट आमकां उठपाक बिकॉज काल वेडिंग आहलें आनी सो सगळे काबारात आमकां टायम आतां. सो आतां न्हेसला हांव आनी तो वयता. तुमकां मागीर मेवता. बाय. सो हांवें थोड्यो एक्सेसरीज केलाय फॉर फिलू. हे पळयात तुमी. कशें आहात तुमी. सो आयज जावन आसा म्हाज्या फ्रेंडाचो रोस आनी हांवें ताका थोडे एक्सेसरीज केल्ल्यो त्यो दिवपाक येतले सो ते दिले आता आनी आतां हांव वयता परतून घरा एक्चुली वयता हांव एक मिटींग आसा म्हाका पोतना गायज सो आय सी यू सून बाय लेट around with Larissa, trial around with my designer. So I don't know माझ्या फ्रेंडाचो रोज फिलूचो रोज सो दिस इज माय आउटफिट वयता हांव आतां तुमकां मागीर मेळटा सो सी यू लेटर बाय eyes on a summer friend's wedding and look at my messy cupboard. But right now I'm going to iron my dress and in my gear I'm going to the salon. I have to go to do my hair. Okay, makeup out but actually my hairstylist is supposed to she wanted to come here but I think I'm coming to the salon because Zeev won't allow me to do what I want to. So the color I am going there. For that I'm just gonna iron my dress and so this is my dress. I'm sure to poila solo. I wore it once but today I'm wearing for the second time and it's a new dress so I'm gonna wear it. At the moment like once it's ironed you'll understand once I wear it. So okay. So I'm using this Phillips cut thing here to iron it with the smoke. Dress okay आता I am जुगाड केला. I didn't have that clip hanger असतं पहिले so I got two clips of my this from my laundry room and this is how the dress looks like. So I'm gonna use the iron on it now and show you the magic holes. It's good. This is so good guys. I mean this garment steamers are best like if you have dresses like this where you cannot iron on regular iron so this is my very old one ata with stain but this was my old one. I had got it during my wedding time so also the stain only the steamer was there time. Now you get it with the stain so I'll iron and show you guys. Hello guys, so I was back for Philu's nuptials and this I'm going to the salon now because actually like the makeup the hairstylist I'm going to do my own makeup so I need my hair to be done. So for the hair I wanted to get her at my place but Zeev is getting very clingy and maka nakha ki tene amka tras dile when it's getting done. So tekara when I'm going to the salon. So I just wore a robe where I can easily open it up once my hair is done. So the with that, this is my look first, and once my hair is done, we'll see how it looks like. Okay, see you, bye. Me, I'd rather disappear than be lifeless like the sea. Voices make your mind their home. Once they're in, they're never gone. When you feel like a burden, let somebody take it. When you feel like a burden, let somebody take it all. All my life I've been someone. Hello guys, so just done with my hairstyle. I just done a very simple hairstyle ke liye and आता हुई था gara to get ready. Oh, I need to do my makeup also, so I'll see you soon. Okay, bye. Me, I'd rather disappear than be lifeless like the sea. Voices make your mind their home. Once they're in, they're never gone. When you feel like a burden, let somebody take it. When you feel like a burden, let somebody take it all. All my life okay guys, so this is my outfit right now, and this is my makeup look. I hope you liked it. Okay, very simple look kela hai. I got a pink lipstick and this is my outfit. Here are my customized shoes. They're matching with my lace on my top, and this is the bag I'm taking. So I have a reading to do. That's why I need to cover my upper area because anyways church can open galna, so I won't cover it up. So let me do it. So I'm wearing these shoes here. Okay. And this is gonna be my clutch. Okay, ready. So this is my look, guys. I cover up kuttale. Let's get Piru married. This one, no? Yeah. Probably at the church.
Please smile, please.
Okay, so finally Philu is married. Short time chalo, but yeah, finally she made it.
सब्र का फल मीठा होता है.
Yes. See you all at the reception. Bye bye. Video 8 years. What is the? Guys, so back from the nuptials, and I'm going to change my hairstyle, which looks like this. Can you see it? Okay. So I'm going to change my hairstyle to make it like a little bit of a wavy hair. So itna hota. I'm just changing now. And तुमको माय में होता. Bye bye. Here's my dress, my shoes and clutch. Yes, so I'm all set as with this, and I'm going now. All set to go, and see you soon. Bye.
Something to all the naughty boys in the house. Share and company. This one's for you.
Oh, beautiful. Darling, stop